Mitosis. A primary problem undoubtedly faced in the very dawn of life concerned the physical growth of primitive organisms. Without cell division, growth occurs through an increase in volume and an enlargement of the outer surface membrane. However, as the surface of a spherical organism increases by the square of its radius r, its volume increases proportionally greater by the cube of this number. That is, an increase in size r produces a relatively smaller increase in surface area, r squared, than in volume, r cubed. Quite rapidly, therefore, the inner constituents of such an expanding organism have proportionally less surface area from which to obtain food, oxygen, and the various metabolic necessities, as well as less surface from which to secrete their metabolic wastes and products. In the absence of division, death would quickly ensue, both as a result of these causes and because of the many physical stresses and accidents that could rupture such an unwieldy membrane. Some form of cell division must, therefore, have been a primary necessity for the maintenance of life. Cell division, however, is not a simple answer to these problems unless assurance is provided that the essential cell constituents are properly distributed to the daughter cells. It is easy to see that for something as vital as the genetic material, the carrier of biological information, an incomplete distribution to cells and their descendants would seriously endanger their future. One successful answer to this problem was the evolution of a mitotic mechanism which produces an even cellular division of essential hereditary components. Since this mechanism undoubtedly evolved early in the history of life, it is shared in its essential aspects by practically all living organisms. And that is mitosis. Have a great day.